Hi guys, so welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel. So ito na yung lesson 3 para sa ating chapter 2 sa Calculus 3. Okay, so this lesson or this video is all about tangent plane to a surface. Okay, so let z is equal to f of x comma y be the equation of a surface S in r cube. Again, r cube, and let P be a point A comma B comma C be a point on S. So let T be a plane which contains a point, and let Q be equal to the coordinate x comma y comma z represent the generic point on the surface S. Now, if the acute angle between vector PQ, okay, and the plane T approaches 0 as the point Q approaches P along the surface S, then we call T the tangent plane to S at P. So again, ang pinag-usapan, kung meron tayong tangent line to a surface, to a plane. So again, kung meron tayong tangent plane actually. So ngayon naman, tangent plane to a surface. So ano ba yung surface? Alam niyo yung mga surface, yung mga quadrat, yung elliptic paraboloid, okay, yung ating elliptic hyperboloid, so yung mga ganong term. Okay, so meron dong mga tangent plane to a surface. So yun yung mga surfaces natin. So yun yung hahanapin natin actually dito. So tulad nito, so meron tayong paraboloid, so meron sa kanyang tangent plane. Okay, ito yung tangent plane niya. So meron ulit tayong paraboloid. So another way na tangent is something na nakaharap sa atin yung tangent plane. So pwede rin siya slant something, or another slant yung pa-reverse. Okay, so diagonally something. Okay, so the tangent line L in the plane y is equal to b. The tangent line L in the plane x is equal to a. So again, the partial derivative as slope. So again, dito idea nito, since tinuro ko si partial derivative yung idea na gagamitin natin dito. Again, tangent plane ang hinahanap natin to a surface. Okay, so medyo maikli or mabilis lang tong video na to kasi about simple lang naman yung kanyang tawag dito. Simple lang naman yung kanyang discussion. Okay, so hindi ko na rin talaga totally napansin kung ano yung gagawin. Okay, so now the equation of the tangent plane to the surface z is equal to f of x comma y at the point a comma b comma f of a comma b is ito. Again, sir, ba't ganyan? A comma b comma f of a comma b. So ganoon naman talaga yan. Yung f of a comma b, parang ito yung lumalabas na z. Okay, ito yung x, ito yung y. X is equal to a, y is equal to b, z is equal to f of a comma b. So ito yung kanyang equation. So ito yung ating formula in general. Okay, so in general, ang ating magiging formula is just the partial of f with respect sa x of a comma b. So anong gagawin dito? Ibig sabihin, kukunin ko muna yung derivative o yung partial derivative ng function with respect sa x. After nun, isa-substitute ko yung value ng x ng a comma b o ng x and y. Okay, so yun yung a comma b. Again, kunin ko muna yung partial derivative of f with respect sa x, saka ko substitute yung value. And then, multiply ko sa x minus a. Okay, so fix yan. So dito naman, partial derivative of f with respect sa y. So similar case, kung anong ginawa doon, i-differentiate ko muna, or partial derivative ko muna with respect sa y, then substitute ko yung a comma b, kung ano mang value yon. Then kunin ko yung y minus b. Lastly, this is minus c, then plus f of a comma b. So minus z, hindi na fix lang yan. So minus z, kumbaga, so since plane siya, so dapat merong may natitirang variable dyan na isa. So minus z plus f of a comma b. So evaluate mo rin yung f of a comma b. So the equal to 0. So again, tatlo kukunin ko. Partial derivative with respect sa x at a comma b, partial derivative with respect sa y at a comma b, then f of a comma b. Okay, so yun yung gagawin natin dito. Okay, so now find the equation of the tangent plane to the surface z is equal to x squared plus y squared at the point 1, 2, b. Okay, so 1, 2, b. So obviously ito yung a, b, c, or x plus y, c. So again, ano yung mga kailangan natin kunin or i-consider? Una natin kunin siyempre yung function niya. So aware tayo na yung z, sabi z is equal to f of x, y. So this is just equal lang sa f of x, y is equal to x squared plus y squared. Okay, so meaning anong kunin una? So partial derivative of f with respect sa x. So kunin natin yung partial derivative. So kunin natin yung partial derivative with respect sa x nung x squared plus y squared. Okay, so this is just equal sa 2x. Tama? So now, kunin naman natin yung, so at point 1, 2, kasi a comma b, ayun yung a comma b. So 1, 2 is 1, 2. So a comma b is 1, 2. At point 1, 2, this is just equal sa 2 times 1 which is equal sa 2. So meaning, the partial derivative of f with respect sa x of a comma b is just 2. Okay, so nakuha natin yung una. Next, the partial derivative naman niya, partial derivative with respect sa y nung x squared plus y squared. So obviously, this is just 2y. Then at 1 comma 2, this is just simply 2 times 2 which is equal sa 4. So meron na tayong partial derivative of f with respect sa y of a comma b or 1 comma 2 which is 4. Okay? Then lastly, kunin natin yung f of a comma b kasi importante rin siya. So kunin natin yung f of 1 comma 2. So kunin natin yung f of 1 comma 2. So ito yun. So f of 1 comma 2, f of 1 comma 2 is just equal sa 1 squared plus 2 squared which is equal to 5. Okay, so now ready na tayong hanapin yung tangent plane. So for the equation of the tangent plane, so this is just equal sa, so copy ko lang, no, the partial derivative with respect sa x of f of 1 comma 2, so lagay ko yung 1 comma 2 ng x minus 1 kasi yan yung a. Okay, then plus partial derivative with respect sa y nung f of 1 comma 2 tapos y minus 2 minus z tapos plus f of 1 comma 2 is equal to 0. Again, equal lagi sa 0. So note that this part is just equal sa 2. So this is just equal sa 2 times x minus 1 plus 4 times y minus 2 minus z plus 5 equals 0. So simplify further, this is just equal sa 2x minus 2 plus 4y minus 8 minus z plus 5 is equal to 0. So therefore, this is just 2x plus 4y minus z. So this is negative 2, negative 8. So that's negative 10 plus 5, that is minus 5 is equal to 0. So therefore, the tangent plane is equal to. So equation of tangent plane is just equal sa 2x plus 4y minus z minus 5 is equal to 0. So check ko lang din kung tama yung sagot. Okay, so tama naman yung sagot natin. Okay, so next is, what if naman ganito siya? Okay, so ito naman yung given natin dito. So di ko nasulat yung isang function actually. Okay, so again yung una, obvious yung surface natin una, that is just a circle. Okay, so tama, circle lang yung una. So circle, tapos inilagay natin doon yung ating tangent plane equation. So now, for the number 2, find the equation of the tangent plane to the surface x squared plus y squared plus z squared is equal to 9. So obviously ito ay sphere. Again, obviously ito ay sphere. So dito magkakaroon tayo ng konting reverse or parang bago sa formula. So kailangan kasi natin siya totally isolve. So kasi since ganun, tingnan mo to, ito ay circle. So obviously gagamitin ko yung formula na yan. So ngayon, what if naman hindi siya circle? What if siya ay yun nga, tulad ng 3-dimensional na siya, so surface na siya na perfect. So ano yung kailangan nating gawin? So ang gagawin natin is simply, palitan ko lang pag ito plane figure, pag plane kunyari circle, ellipse, something na ganun, pag surfaces talaga actually, ito yung gagawin natin. So this is partial derivative with respect sa x nung a comma b, tapos x minus a, then plus partial derivative with respect sa y ng a comma b, tapos y minus b, so ganun pa rin, then plus partial derivative with respect sa z, dagdag to, of f of a comma b, so di ko nalagyan ng f to rather. Okay, tapos z minus c. Okay, so bali ako ng ano dito, so a comma b comma c rather. Ito ay a comma b comma c, ito ay a comma b, ito ay a comma b comma c, ito ay also a comma b comma c, so equal sa 0. Okay, so ganyan naman yung format niya. Okay, so again, rewrite ko na lang yung equation natin dito sa baba para makita nyo. So again, partial of f with respect sa x of a, b, c, x minus a, partial of f with respect sa y ng a, b, c, y minus b, plus partial of f with respect sa z ng a, b, c, z minus c is equal to 0. Again, pag ito ay alam mo ng surface siya. So actually, yung given kasi una is something na, yung para sa una is something na pag plane figure. So plane figure kasi circle siya, so nasa 2D lang siya actually. So pag 3D, so alam mo ng surface siya, so something na tulad nito, ito kasi sphere. So since sphere siya, iba yung way natin para hanapin. Okay, so sorry hindi ko siya nabanggit. Okay, kasi nakasulat pala siya doon, hindi ko man lang nakita na gagamitin natin. Okay, so again, sulat ko na lang ulit yung equation. Okay, so now, proceed tayo dito, no? So, anong natin gagawin? Siyempre, hanapin natin. So, ito na yung ating function. Yung buo, x squared plus y squared plus z squared is equal to 9 at the point 2, 2, negative 2, 2, negative 1. So, una, kunin natin is partial derivative with respect sa x nung function natin which is x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 9. Okay, so by the way, nakalimutan kong gawin. So, dito rin, syempre, dahil wala tayong f or function f. Okay, so yung function f natin dito is simply equivalent dito. So, yung function f natin dito is f of x, y, z. Gagawin ko lang siyang x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Transpose mo yon minus 9 is equal. So, yan yung sagot. Okay, so tandaan. So, wala na to. Okay, f of x, y, z. So, is equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Transpose ko yun, that is 10. So, yung meaning yung parang 0 yung in-evaluate natin. Okay, so, again, yan yung ating pinaka-general. So, what if gawin ko siyang capital F? So, para hindi kayo malito. So, capital F para maiba. So, sir, paano mo na-derive yan? Actually, may gantong rule kasi. So, may gantong rule. Yung f of x, y, z, equal lang siya dito sa f of x, y, minus z. So, yung z natin is yung nasa 9, yung minus 9. Kaya ganyan ginawa ko. Okay, so tandaan yung ganyang factor. So, again, ito na yan. So, x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 9. Okay, so this is just equal sa, siyempre with respect sa x, so this is just equal sa 2x. So, at 2, 2, negative 1, this is just equal sa 2 times 2, which is equal sa 4. Okay, so next is partial derivative with respect sa y nung x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 9. This is just equal sa 2y. So at 2, 2, negative 1, this is just equal sa 2 times 2 which is equal sa 4. Okay, then lastly, partial derivative with respect sa z. So this partial derivative with respect sa z nung x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 9 is just equal sa 2z. So at 2, 2, negative 1, this is just equal sa 2 times negative 1 which is equal sa negative 2. Okay, so ready na tayong isulat yung equation. So again, rewrite ko lang yung equation na nilagay ko sa taas. So papalitan ko yung mga f ng capital F. So again, papalitan ko ito ng capital F kasi iba yung dinefine ko na notion. So sorry, di ko nakita kasi agad. Kung nakita ko yung nasulat or na-type ko rin yan actually. So, for convenience na lang, susulat ko na lang siya dito. So again, this is just equal sa partial derivative with respect sa x nung f of 2, 2, negative 1. So this is x minus 2 plus partial derivative with respect sa y nung f nung 2, 2, negative 1 nung y minus 2. And lastly, this is just plus partial derivative nung f with respect sa z ng 2, 2, negative 1. Then this is just z minus, so ano yung ano natin, z natin is negative 1. So this is c plus 1. Okay, equals 0. Okay. So next is, syempre, ang sagot na tayo dito. So this is just 4. So this is just 4 times x minus 2 plus another 4 times y minus 2, then plus negative 2 times y plus 1 is equal to 0. So simplify further, this is just 4x minus 8 plus 4y minus 8 minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. So basically this is just 4x plus 4y minus 2z minus 8. This is minus 18 is equal to 0. So divide natin both side by 2, o yung whole equation can be reduced as 2x plus 2y minus z minus 9 is equal to 0. So lagyan natin ng or. So pwede mo kasi siyang i-simplify actually. Okay, so therefore yan yung ating tangent plane or equation of the tangent plane. So again, using ganito. So tandaan mo, dalawang klase yan. Kung alam mo na siya lang ay f of x comma y, so meaning nasa plane lang siya, so automatic yung una equation. So pag alam mo siya ay surface, so obvious naman sa atin ano yung mga surface since binigay ko rin yung mga equation ng surface. So ito yung gagamitin nyo. Okay, so that's all in this video. So sorry medyo natagalan din. Okay, so hoping na nagets mo si tangent plane.